I'm Todd from Top Coat Finishes in Jericho, Vermont, and today we're going to do a side-by-side comparison of stripping a door using the Festooled method versus the old tried and true liquid stripper. We're going to see how this is going to work. Before beginning with the sanding, you want to make sure that your extractor is turned all the way down on the suction setting and all the way up on the tool setting. Now we've taken the door down with 60 grit. You notice we didn't remove material off of the trim details on the door with sanding out of fear of jeopardizing the sharp lines of the trim detail. The detailed areas are going to require a little more work, more hand sanding than the flats, which is obvious. So it's been about 3 hours now that the liquid stripper has been on the door, and we're going to start removing the stripper now with a simple straight edge blade. And when we get into the detailed panel work, we'll switch over to a wire brush and a couple of different smaller type scrapers. Once all of the large debris has been removed off the surface, we generally will take a regular paint thinner and then wipe any of the excess off the surface. You're going to need at least 24 hours for this material to dry out of the wood. You will notice that it probably raises the grain a little bit. Start sanding at 80 grit and work yourself up to about 120 grit. You do go through quite a bit of abrasives to get this top down with the residue off. If you find the residue is too heavy, you may have to apply another coat of stripper on and wait again and go through the same process we did on the first round to get it down to the wood where you want it to be able to be sanded. We're going to hold off on finishing out the panels until we put more stripper on and let it go through its process. But you can see from all of the work we've done here that it seems like using the stripper creates a lot more work in the end. It certainly uses up a lot of abrasives and uses up a lot of time. And in the end, time is money. There's only one way to do the job right the first time.